I have over 200 connects on my Upwork profile, and I haven't used a single one in the past 2 years or so. And yes, I do still consistently get work. Welcome to What's Next. My name is Tyler, and I am a top-rated freelancer on Upwork. The focus of this channel is to help you navigate platforms like Upwork and job marketplaces alike so that you don't have to do the hard work. If you want Upwork job success, follow along, subscribe to the channel, and well, let's get into the video. So if you're unfamiliar, connects are probably the most valuable thing within Upwork, except of course for a high-paying client. Connects are Upwork's in-house currency. This in-house currency is used when you apply for jobs on the network. But what happens when you run out of connects? Well, you can buy them for about 15 cents per connect. And it may not sound like much, but if you calculate each job may require up to 16 connects, you could be paying $2.40 per job submission. Now we're talking about small numbers here, but if you're applying to 10 jobs, it's going to add up. And let's remember that the reason we are on Upwork is to make money and not necessarily spend money. I currently have more than 200 connects on my Upwork account, and I haven't used any of them within the last 2 years or so. And I'm going to show you exactly how I do it. So let's adjust this mic and let me get you onto my screen. Okay, here we are on Upwork's homepage, and the very first method of getting jobs without using connects is optimizing our profile. So let's go over to the right hand side, let's click on our name, and we'll find ourselves on this page. Here we can edit our entire profile. So what we want to do is we want to travel down and make sure that every single element of our profile is optimized. Now I have a video series which I will share in the description down below, covering each and every section of an Upwork profile so that you can go in and you can optimize each section. So when a client is searching for a freelancer, you will come up in their search results. The next method we're going to use is connecting your Upwork account to your LinkedIn account. And this doesn't have to be a direct integration. This just means that you are connecting what you're doing on Upwork with what you're doing on LinkedIn. So let me show you my LinkedIn page. I can share stuff that has happened on my Upwork profile in LinkedIn. So you can perhaps, once you're in your Upwork profile, let's say perhaps you've completed a job. Let's say you have updated your profile. You can actually go ahead and you can copy your profile link. You can go into LinkedIn and you can now post your Upwork profile. You can put something else in there like check my Upwork profile out. You are going to hit post. People on LinkedIn now will be able to see that you're active on Upwork, and if you are doing the type of work that they're looking for a freelancer to do maybe video editing or virtual assistant or web design, they can potentially hire you. And what will happen is they'll contact you on LinkedIn, ask if they can open a contract on Upwork. This will build your Upwork history and it'll secure all of your payments. It's an awesome option. Make sure you're doing a lot of networking. So make sure that you're connecting with people that would be like-minded or even potential clients. Just keep it up on a regular basis. Method 3 involves going into your Upwork profile and going to the job search section, clients that you've worked with previously. So here you can actually search for jobs. Okay, so let's say for example we are going to click on UGC, and this is a saved search that I've set up. I've covered it in another video. You can set them up too. It's quick and easy, and it allows you to organize your job searches very nicely. I'll link that in the description as well. So as you can see over here, I have searched for jobs with the keyword UGC in it, and here you can see a bunch of jobs. All of these jobs I would have to apply to. So if I click on this job, it'll open it up and it'll cost me connects to apply for this job. You can see over here on the right, it says send proposal for 17 connects. Now, if you add up what it costs, it's a fair amount. But there's another way of doing this. Let's say I find a job in here. I have potentially worked with this client previously. On the left-hand side, you'll have your filters that you can actually change. So you can go all the way down here and you can see it says client info. And here you can filter all of the jobs that you will see now will be clients that you've worked with previously. It says client and it gives you the client name. So now you can go into your messages or your previous chats, which you'll find on this Upwork dashboard, and you can go and look for that client. You can type in the client name within the message search filter, and now you can apply for that job without actually applying for it officially. So you can go and say, hey, I just saw a job and it was entitled female UGC creator from Brazil, and you can ask them if you would like to potentially work with them on that project. Another way of doing this is going into all of your previous clients that you've worked with, whether they've got a new job on a listing or not, and actually just sending a message, keeping in touch with them and seeing if they need additional services from you. So you can just say, hey, I'm reaching out just to find out if there's any projects that we can collaborate on again, and so forth. Send a nice little message. You never know what might actually happen. So how do you actually take value from this video? Well, first of all, you can go ahead and create a LinkedIn account if you haven't already got one. Make sure that you are connecting your Upwork account with your LinkedIn account, and make sure that you are being active on LinkedIn. You never know who might notice you and want to open a contract with you on Upwork. In this way, you'll be spending no connects while getting jobs. The second and probably the most important thing is to rank in search. You can go ahead and tap on this playlist and you can check out all of the videos to optimize your profile. And the next time a client is searching for something that you're capable of doing very well, you might just get an invite from them. Until next time, ladies and gentlemen, take care.